Henry and the Sugarbugs. Read it to me. I'll read it myself. Henry liked to eat, but he didn't like to brush his teeth. Henry liked to eat fruit and pasta and oatmeal and broccoli and chicken and most of all, chocolate. Henry liked to eat all of these things, but Henry didn't like to brush his teeth. That's because he didn't know about the Sugarbugs. Whenever Henry's mom told him, "Henry, it's time to brush your teeth," Henry hid. So Henry's mom would look and look and look until she found him. One time when she found him, Henry's mom told him about the Sugarbugs. She told him Sugarbugs like the same foods you do. Just like you, they like fruit and pasta and oatmeal and broccoli and chicken and most of all, chocolate. She told him that when he eats the foods he likes, Sugarbugs come to live in his mouth. She told him that Sugarbugs like to chew on your teeth and make big holes called cavities. And there's only one way to get the Sugarbugs out of your mouth, she said. Henry ran to the bathroom, grabbed his toothbrush, and brushed the Sugarbugs away. Now Henry doesn't mind brushing his teeth anymore. The end.